Hello everyone, welcome again on my channel. Today I like to do some unboxing and a little test of the Floveme magnetic cable. I ordered a magnetic cable and a micro USB plug just to test what the quality is. I'm also very curious what it will do. If it's the same current as the normal cable, is it strong? So I will do some small tests. For my test I will use again the charger from my last review, which is quite good. Like what I say in my last review, this charger is not getting hot at all. I tried it at home with different telephones, different machines for charging. It stays very cold. So for me it's a good charger. So first I will show you what my normal cable will say about the current. This is a micro USB cable. So as you can see, it's charging with 1.33 as a current. That's already quite good for this telephone, because normally it's only 1 ampere. So now I will show you what it will do with the magnetic cable from Floveme. So I will take it out this plug first. There's not really much information on it, at least not for the most people to understand. As you can see, it's a small plug which you can put in your cell phone. Try to look if I have a better view for you. It's very small, so it's also easy to lose. But anyway, you only put it in your telephone once and you can leave it. So as you can see, I'll show you here. I connect it to my telephone. And it will stay there. So I will open the package of the cable. Now the cable is also the same. The information is in Chinese language. So very difficult to read for me. Here's the address of the shop, the factory. What I like from this shop is that everything is very well packed. Now, as you can see, this is the cable. As you can see, the cable have also a LED light, which means it's connected to the power. Sorry, I cannot get it very clear, but I think you can see it. So here's my cell phone. Let's see how easy connect. As you see, it's very easy to connect. And it starts charging directly. So with 1.76, 78 amperes. It's even charging stronger than my normal cable. That's already nice. So as you can see again, just take it out. You can even leave it like this, and it directly connects to the cell phone. I'm going to try a little test, how strong it is. As you can see, It's quite strong for a magnetic cable. So the easy point is you can have one cable or two cables and different USB charging equipment like telephones, power banks, and you can only use one cable. Just take it out, leave the plug inside, and when you want to charge, just like that. So you don't have to worry anymore for micro USB that you take the wrong side. So I hope you like this review again. If you have questions, ask me under my video. And if you like it, please like the video and subscribe, and I see you again in my next video. Bye.